Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to refund your Cash App payment. Now the first thing that we need to do is just go ahead and open up your Cash App account, and then we're going to head over into the activity section. The activity section will be located on the icon on the bottom right, which looks like a clock. So just go ahead and click on this. Now this will be your activity section right here. And to request a Cash App refund, all you need to do is to go ahead and select the payment, and then there will be a three dots icon. So tap on the three dots icon, select refund, and then press OK. As you can see here, I cannot show this yet because I have a completely brand new account and have not yet transferred any Cash App payment. Now do bear in mind that Cash App payments are very fast, so when you do make a mistake, it can be a disadvantage, because it means that it can be difficult to actually cancel a payment before it completes. Now you can go ahead and try canceling the payment in the activity feed after you've submitted, and some payments may have a cancel option for a short while after you submit them. So always double check who you are sending this to before proceeding with your Cash App payment. And if you are unable to refund straight away, you can go ahead and dispute the payment with the merchant themselves and then continue on from there. The Cash App team will go ahead and investigate your dispute once that it has been filed. Your refund payment may arrive instantly, but it may also take 1 to 3 business days depending on the funding source that you have used, such as if it was a debit card or if it was through your bank. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.